Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. This is Mohana Khan, and in today's video I'll be sharing a vlog. Today we are going to an amusement park in Kolkata and its name is Nicco Park. So we have just left our place and we are in the car right now, and Harsh is driving the car. We have the newlyweds here and retarded sister over here. So we are on our way right now and I'll catch up with you guys when I reach there. But before watching the vlog, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video and share it with your friends and family. It would mean the absolute world to me.
Yeah.
We are currently taking a food break and I had papri chaat and now I am having some frappe. Everyone else is sitting there and eating their little snacks and all. So we have already taken about 2 rides until now, and we have a lot of rides to take now. By the way, there is an offer going on in Nicco Park here. For the price of 1 ticket, 2 people can enter the park and enjoy all the rides, and they can also enjoy the wet park. So we have applied that ticket only, but that ticket is only available upon online payment. So yeah. छोटी भाई कैप्चर करे रिएक्शन आप भी तो Park, but sadly we could not take the skydiver ride because currently the timing is up till 6 p.m. We thought it was up till 7 p.m. but we were wrong. So we could not take the skydiver ride. Now we are out of the park and we are heading towards our home. Some of them are having fuchka, but I'm not in the mood to have fuchka right now. So I'm standing here and just taking rest, I guess. So yeah, we are currently going to have a dinner and we are in Chinatown right now. We are in the car. We will be going to Big Boss to have a dinner. I'll show you guys around once I reach the place. It's very dark here. So yeah, bye bye. As you can tell, I'm back home and I'm dead tired. I think you can notice my voice has kind of gone because of all the shouting and tiredness. I don't know why, but whenever I shout a lot, talk a lot, or get exhausted, my voice completely goes away. So today was a great day. We enjoyed a lot. We had a really nice time and I am completely exhausted. And all I want to do now is just lay on the bed and sleep. But I got to remove my makeup, which I really do not want to. We took a lot of rides in Nico Park. We got on the roller coaster twice. The roller coaster is my favorite. Its name is Cyclone. We enjoyed a lot, but the only thing that we missed is that we could not go on the skydiver because we ran out of time. Previously all the rides used to close at 7 o'clock, but now maybe due to COVID the rides close at 6 and we did not know that. We decided to get on the skydiver last because that is actually the most, exciting and interesting ride that is there at Nico Park. But the time we reached to get on the ride, it was already closed, so that was a bummer. We could not get on the skydiver. Apart from that, we really enjoyed a lot. We had good food, we had some quality time with our cousins. And if you are from Kolkata or if you are visiting Kolkata as a tourist, I will highly recommend you guys to go and check Nico Park out. It's a great amusement park. It also has the water park, but we did not go there today because it's winter and we don't want to get into the water right now. And the package we booked also had water park with it. It was water park, main park, and all the rides were free, and it was just for rupees 425, and this offer is valid till I think 28th of February. So if you want to go and enjoy a whole day filled with fun, then I'll recommend you guys to go ahead and book the tickets online. Another thing that I wanted to talk about is I could not really talk a lot throughout the day. I have captured however much I could, but I'm not really comfortable in talking in public places because I've just started it. I'm not very comfortable with vlogging in a public place because I obviously feel shy, and in India and in Kolkata there are a lot of stairs when you talk to a camera. So that is the reason I could not talk a lot during the day, but I think I have managed to capture quite some bits and pieces from my day. So yeah, this was it for today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoy it, and until next time, stay safe and take care of yourselves. Bye bye.